you don't know what you got till it's gone. On and on seem to go when you don't know what you got till it's on and on seem to go when you don't know what you got till it's when you don't know what you got till it's gone. Capricorn, hello, the so-called devil. This is your channel messages, Capricorn. We're doing this for the the 1st of April. Now I like to say April is Aries season, even though Aries season starts in March. But Capricorn, I had to do your reading. I'm not sure what called me to do it right now at the moment while I was doing beauty routines, but let's go ahead and go into your reading. Yeah, let's go with the devil. On and on to and you don't know what you got till. I'm getting something about Sony Records, Sony Entertainment. Okay, I'm getting. Is there something about lung cancer? Something about cancer? Wait. On and on till the phone. And you don't know what you got till it's gone. Cancer. Cancer. It's cancer. Seem to go when you don't know what you got till it's on and on. Seem to go when you don't know what you got. July 14 is a cancer, something about cancer. I'm not sure if this is lung cancer. I'm getting something about Sony Entertainment, Sony Records. I'm also getting something about Sony and the Jacksons family. This could be something about Sony and the underground family. I'm also getting, this is a very, very weird thing I'm going to say. I'm getting the boy was forced to be white, but the girl could stay black. The girl could have appealed to her black crowd, but the boy was forced to appeal to white crowds. I'm also getting, even though the boy was more famous, him always was jealous of the girl because the girl could have been free. I'm getting something about cancer. And also I'm getting something about the honorable, the beautiful, the talented, the extraordinary Janet Jackson. Where's Will Smith? Where's Will Smith? And you don't know what you got till it's gone. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. The devil, Capricorn. Let's see what is in your reading. What is the urgency of this? Yeah, Capricorn, the devil. Is this something about cigarette smoking or something about your tobacco? No, it's not all tobaccos cause cancer. That's the backdoor tobacco. The real tobacco, and especially if you were actually using tobacco for the purposes, you would be chewing it, not smoking it. Smoking is like crackhead tobacco use. Let's go, the devil, Capricorn. We have the 9 of Cups coming out first. I'm getting something about a ring, jewelry, something about jewelry magic. Was somebody buried with jewelry? Something about jewelry and a graveyard. Or something about your past lover. We're getting somebody on them deathbed, but there's somebody over them that can claim ownership of the money. We're getting something about your fiance or your wife. We have the Knight of Wands. I'm getting something about a Leo, Aries, or Sagittarius that you're engaged to, you're married. Someone is on them deathbed because of cancer. We have the Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, I'm getting 99. I'm getting something about an engagement. An engagement was sealed. The ring was sealed. I'm getting something about a Cancer or Leo coming home. Or on detecting something because of the Cancer. Is this something about... Wait. We have the Five of Wands. Yeah, a lot of fighting. And we also have the Ten of Cups. Yeah, I'm getting you coming home. The Nine of Cups. So I'm getting you left a fiance. You had to leave a fiance. Nine of Cups, you got engaged to her. You got engaged to her, Capricorn, then you left. I'm getting you coming back. But when you're coming back, there's a whole fight because there's... It's like you come back and see another family in the frame. I'm getting you left. When you left, you had a fiance. I don't know what this is. I'm getting something about Cancer, something about aggression. I'm getting something about one of the kids are not yours. Or something about... I'm getting somebody on them deathbed and somebody mistress is trying... It's not the mistress. This could be it. I'm getting somebody, if they were not married, they were engaged. With the Ten of Cups here and the Nine of Pentacles, I'm getting the inheritance. It's going to be left to a single... I'm getting it being left to a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Ten of Cups is over here. That's your family. That's a Pisces energy. Then over here, we had the engagement that happened. But the engagement happened, then you left. But I'm getting now you come back to complete the engagement. I'm getting something about I'm getting a baby is not yours. I'm getting something about Cancer. We have a Tower. Yeah, I'm getting you come home suddenly. You just come home. I'm getting you just show up. And when you show up, I'm getting the girl who you left, she there living with another man, and there's more kids than you did say. I'm not sure what this is. I'm getting somebody going to show up unexpectedly. And apparently, there's somebody who's there that's not supposed to be there. Yeah, I'm getting something about a Leo woman. I'm getting somebody on them deathbed. I'm getting the whole family probably is around. So I'm getting them fighting over they might be fighting over property. Because I'm getting there's a very expensive, it could be a hotel. I'm getting the whole family fighting over the hotel. Maybe the son wanted it. I'm getting the brother, I'm getting it's either brother and sister, or I'm getting, this could be a record label with a Nine of Cups, Nine of Cups. I'm getting the son is fighting for the record label. But I feel like if the son get the record label, the son will make him and his new family run the record label. I'm getting something about another fire sign. That's a woman in the family. She want ownership or rights to this. We have the king, yeah, something about a contract. And we have the 99. It have to get shared between both of them. We have 99. That's so I'm getting somebody going past all of a sudden. 99. I'm getting the guy gets. I'm getting to buy out the contract. Both of them get half. I'm getting, yeah, something like that. So I'm getting the boy gets half, the girl get half. I'm not sure if this is daughters and son. But then me getting an independent woman who I think it was a mistress. Me getting inheritances in a will. This woman that you don't know, that does not have kids for your husband or your long-term boyfriend, him write her in a will. That's what the lawyer is telling you. And you might be trying to fight it and say, well, you don't have the legal right to will overwrite anything. Will overwrite marriage certificate. That is what will do. When you have a will overwrite a marriage certificate. Let me tell you something, people. When you're talking about prenup, when you're talking about child support, let me tell you something about the niggas. Riches, right? Okay, great. Even if you did get married to 3 different women, if you get married to 1 woman, you see, if you ever write that will and say leave it to the daughter, that woman who you married for years should not get nothing. If you marry a woman and you meet one girl and you don't know the girl from a no frills cashier line, and you like the girl and decide to write a will and give it to a lawyer and say, when I'm dead, me hate my wife because she did spite me with my kids, give it to this random girl. Will overwrite any type of legal document. Will overwrite lease. Because if in the will, if somebody own the building and you lease the building, if the will is left to somebody, you have to get out. That is what the will is. It is your final words when you're dead. Marriage certificate is who you love now. Who you're claiming at the moment. I will do everything. Will also supposed to talk about how you want to be buried. In your will, you don't just decide you're going to cremate somebody. You don't even just say, you know, it's a fucking sin when you don't have money for bury somebody properly. You leave a generational curse. That means you, your brother, your kids, the whole lot not gonna bury bad. Or not gonna burn up. In the will, it also talks about what the person supposed to choose what they want happen to them. So I'm getting something about will. The will will overwrite everything. Come getting brother and sister forget half. It could be a record label. Me getting the brother fight the sister. Then me getting something about a woman with kids. But me getting something about the tower card. Like somebody got pass away in a hospital. And me getting 2 fire signs are arguing about who should have done what. No. Then me getting something. Me getting your cashing out. This woman that you don't know. How your husband know her. How this man know her. Will overwrite everything. There's something about a will. Now, unless the family is very rich and them can buy out the lawyers, that's the only way them would deny you access to the money. But if it's real lawyer, would I really fight for every single thing, real thing. Will, it no matter if you didn't marry this woman for 50 years. That's why some people will leave the whole blood clot riches to the dog. You know them white old people there? Me know them type of white old people there. Me go homeless shelter. Me was in homeless shelter with them. We're old. And them daughters, them sons, them I live with new family. Them I live with new man. Your mother could have sleep somewhere in the blood clot house. She did a shelter. Them have them family. I can't stay here because me and my husband is sleeping here. A bed could have fit in the blood clot house. And your mother. But them can't cash out them pension. Them not reach of age yet. Sometimes that's why them don't give them daughters or them left the whole riches, the whole 401k. Them left the whole thing because chances are they're in shelter smoking anyways. Them are gonna kill themselves off of cancer. Them left the riches to the dog. Next thing the dog, I take caregiver employment. Yeah, me getting something about a family will. Me getting the family a fall apart. Something a fall apart. But also getting something about royalties. Because me getting a lot of money that was owed. We have me getting something about a signature. Me getting you need both signatures. Yeah, you need the girl's signature. We have the magician. Yeah, me getting somebody cheated out of a will. We're getting something about music, a record label. Yeah, we have MK Ultra. Be like somebody want your cash in. We're getting somebody going cash in them chips. somebody is going to hand over their name to Google and say, it's been a great ride. Thank you so much for everything you have done. It's time to cash in my chips. Somebody going to cash in them chips. Them are cash in them name. But me getting a will is left. The will is there. There's something about a will. Political agenda. Yeah, we have something about a doctor. Me getting his cancer. Somebody and them, me feel like a oxygen. Is it stomach cancer? Something about a doctor. It could be something about a political leader. We have curse. It could be skin cancer. One more. Yeah. We're getting something about a will. A will that you was cheated out of. Don't know what you got till it's on and on seem to go, and you don't know what you got till it's gone. And you don't know what you got till it's gone.